Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out. Just wanted to give you some quick tips on your website. The overall layout of your site looks good. There's a couple pictures that are not loading here, but my internet has been stupid slow today, so that might be on my end. But looking down through here, there's not a lot of content here. With Google, content is king. We recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on your back service pages. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I did put you into one of our SEO tools here. Your title tag and your H1 tag are super important to Google. And I'll show you examples of the title tag and meta description here in a minute. But right now, your title tag is just your company name. So it's showing a dash here. But what I would do is go in front of this dash, and I would do Virginia Beach pressure washing, and then a dash, and then your company name. Get that keyword in there. You want Google to know where you are and what you do. So get your location in there and get that pressure washing keyword in there. For your H1 tag, you currently do not have an H1 tag set up. Generally, that is one of these first headlines that you'll see. So even like right here or something written up inside of this picture. But it can be anywhere on the page. It's just generally one of the first things people see. But I would set up an H1 tag as, Virginia Beach pressure washing. And just keep it simple. Like I said, build that path of communication with Google with your title tag and your H1 tag, both saying Virginia Beach pressure washing. It's going to be very, very clear to Google that you're in Virginia Beach and you do pressure washing. And I see that you do include a lot of other areas. I've actually got family out that way. I've got family in, just outside of Yorktown in Seaford. But, looking at that, we could build out location pages for these separate cities and then try to get those city pages ranking in those areas. So that's how I would go about doing this. I would build out your homepage all about Virginia Beach and then build out location pages for these other cities and have all of those linked back to your service pages so, people can go in and check out the services that you offer. But to go in here and look, Virginia Beach pressure washing, this blue line right here is that title tag that we were talking about for all of these companies. And then below that is this meta description. So your meta description is right here. Try to get some of those keywords and stuff in there. Location, keywords for pressure washing. You've got up to 320 characters, so use them. If you look here at the meta tag, these bolded words were not typed that way within the website for the meta description. Google does that to show me that these words are relevant to what I typed in. So, you want to get those keywords in that meta description also. If you don't make a meta description, Google will just pick content from your page and pull it out, and that's going to be the description they use. So tell them what you want it to say. But looking at the title tag, pressure washes Virginia Beach. Soft wash, pressure washing, and this one talks about Hampton Roads. This one may say Virginia Beach back here somewhere, but it doesn't look like it. But, power washing Virginia Beach. Probably 90% of the things that you're going to see on this first page are going to have pressure washing and Virginia Beach in that title tag. So it just kind of shows you the importance of getting that in there. So I hope that helps you out. If you've got any questions, you know how to find me. I will talk to you later. Thank you.